أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. This is lesson number 12. In the last lesson, we looked at murakkab ghair mufid and non-beneficial sentences, and I explained to you that the murakkab ghair mufid, the non-beneficial sentences are 5. There is 5 divisions. We looked at murakkab izafi and murakkab binai, and today inshallah we are going to look at murakkab manas sarf. Murakkab manas sarf is a phrase where two nouns are joined to form a singular word. The first word is always in the accusative state, meaning it is maftuh, okay? It's in the accusative state. And the second word, it changes according to the regent, according to the amil. The amil is called a regent. And the example that I have provided here is Ba'al Bakku, where there was two Ba'al and Bak, it was two isms, and they became one. And today it is a city in Yemen. Okay, some say there's a city in Lebanon with the same name, but there were two names. There were two nouns, and they were joined to become one noun. Okay. The next one is a murakkab sauti. Murakkab sauti. So saut is sound, so it's a sound compound, and this is where two words are duplicated to form the sound of an animal, okay, or they are joined to communicate with an animal, okay. And वो मुरक्कब जिसके साथ जानदार चीज को बुलाया जाए. So an animal is called, and the example I have given you is bach bach, gake, oh. Three different examples that are used to call 3 different animals. And the last and final one is murakkab tawsifi. Murakkab tawsifi is a descriptive phrase. It is a phrase in which one word describes the other. So there are 2 words. One word will describe the other. The describing word is called sifat. This describing word is called sifat, a descriptive noun, okay? It's a description, and the word that is being described, or the object being described, is called mawsoof. It is called mawsoof. And they must correspond in 4 things. So there should be a connection with 4 things, with the first word and the second word. So the sifat and mawsoof, they should corroborate in 4 things, which are the i'rab, the diacritic. And what that means is the condition of the end of the word. The i'rab, in English you would call it a diacritic, okay? Although the harakats are also called diacritics, but here in particular we are talking about the i'rab, meaning the changing at the end of a word, the haraka at the end of the word, okay? So this is called diacritic. So in Arabic you would call it an i'rab, and this is the first condition, that they should both corroborate with each other. The sift mawsoof sift, they should corroborate in i'rab. They should have the same i'rab, and they should have the same gender, meaning if the first word is muzakkar, then the second one should be the same, muzakkar, male, okay? If the first is muannas, the second should be muannas as well. This is for beginners, mubtadi students. Later on, when you read other books, and inshallah I have prepared lectures for Hadayatun Nahw, and inshallah they will be uploaded. The reason why I'm not uploading them there yet, because I am waiting to get to isme ghair mutamakkin and mutamakkin. So once I've explained the 8 divisions of Ism Ghair Mutamakkin and the 16 divisions of the 16 types of Mutamakkin, then I shall introduce all of the lectures all at one go, because if I did it now for my own students, it would become somewhat confusing. So here, back to descriptive phrase, okay? We understand that they should both corroborate in 4 items. First, the i'rab. Secondly, the gender. Thirdly, the numbering, whether it is singular, dual, or plural. If the first ism is a singular, then the second should be the same. If the first one is dual, the second ism should be the same. It should be dual. The first one is a plural, the second should be plural as well. And the last condition of these 4, it should be, for a descriptive phrase, should be that if the first one is a definite article, okay, the second one should be a definite article. If the first one is an indefinite article, then the second one should be an indefinite article as well, meaning marifa and nakira, okay? So if the first one is a marifa, the second one should be a marifa as well. If the first one is a nakira, then it should be a nakira as well. And the example that I've given here is rajulun salihun, okay, a pious man. So if you look at the book, this is page 18, by the way. So rajulun, here it is nakira, okay, and salihun is also nakira. If you look at the i'rab, they both have a tanween, so the i'rab is the same. They all are in a nominative state, so they are both marfu. So this is the first condition that met. Rajulun is a male, salihun is also a male, so the genders are the same. They are singular, rajulun salihun. So the third condition is achieved here, and the fourth one is they are both nakira, first and second. Rajulun is nakira as well, second, and salihun is a nakira as well. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us the ability to understand the sciences that explain the Quran Majid, Furqan Hamid.